Here I've got BLU Vivo One Plus 2019, and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, go to the battery, and then if you would like to activate power saving mode, smoothly tap on the switcher. And as you can see now it's active, you can notice red edges, which means that you are currently in low power solution mode. Then if you would like to switch off this mode, just tap on the same switcher again. Then you can also set some automatic rule, smoothly tap on the left edge of battery saver icon and then click on turn on automatically, and you can pick either 5 or 15% of the battery. So let me choose for example 5, and from now on every time your battery is lower than 5%, power saving mode will be automatically activated. So that would be all. You can also quickly access low power solution through the upper bar, smoothly slide down the upper bar and then click on power saver icon. And as you can see, saving mode is active right now. Then you can switch it off by tapping on the same icon. And this is it. This is how you can save power on your device, how you can activate power saving mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.